Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. Once again, maraming salamat sa mga nag-join sa membership. So again, these are member exclusive videos. So if you're seeing this, then you're a member. So yun, maraming salamat. I hope nakatulong ako sa CECC2 subject ninyo or sa statics na subject. Sige, proceed tayo. Problem number 25 na tayo. So for the beam shown daw, which of the following most nearly gives the reaction at the left end? Tama, reaction at the left end of the bar AB. Okay, nearly gives the reaction at the left end of the bar AB, which also, sandali. Yeah. So which of the following nearly gives the reaction at E at saka yung reaction at the member, the bar CDE, at the end of CDE, CED pala. Sige, so bale, at tatlo yung reactions na hinahanap natin, no? Nearly gives the reaction at the left end of bar AB, ito. So ito yung left end ng bar AB. And then reaction at E, ito. And then lastly is ito. So actually, madali lang to, no? You just need to draw the correct free body diagram. So what we will do is actually to separate this into two beams. Dalawang beam to, isa at saka ito, at saka ito. Sige. So draw natin. So bale, ito yung first, no? By the way, all of these are pin connected, ha? Baka isipin nyo ito ba? Yan. Baka isipin nyo na hinge yan. Hindi yan hinge, ha? Pin yan. So that is ganyan. And then ito yung isa. Okay? So bale, if you notice, yung kabila, that's yung point A is actually hinge. Ito. So meaning, we have two reactions here. Isa, this is RA. B. Now notice, wala tayong RAH dyan kasi if you notice, wala namang horizontal load sa given. So, puro lang yan vertical load. So, RAV lang yung ilagay natin dyan, RAV. And then, meron tayong 2 kN na load dito. Okay? And then notice, since meron tayong support dito sa B, then it will actually push the beam or the upper beam upward. So, it will push this beam upward here. Tawagin itong RB. Okay? Next is yung free body diagram sa bottom beam. Now, sa bottom beam, notice, since nakapatong yung upper beam, then itong roller sa B will push the lower beam down. So, okay. So, ilagay natin dito. Now, the force that will push this beam down is actually equivalent to RB. And then, meron tayong reaction dito sa E na isa. Okay, that's RE. And then, meron tayong RD. Upward RD. So, meron pala tayong load dito, no, na 1 kN. And then, let's write the distances. This is 0.6. This is 0.6. This is also 0.6. 0.6 ata lahat. This is 0.6. And ito lang yung 1 point. Sorry, yan lang yung 1.0. Sige, transfer muna natin yung figure. Yan, and then lipat natin dito. Yan. Okay, so solve muna natin. Ano yung unang hinahanap? Left reaction sa bar AB, which is itong RAV, no, yung hinahanap. So to solve for RAV, we can sum up, consider the upper beam, yung isang free body diagram, yung upper beam, and then sum tayo ng moment sa B. Okay, summation of moment at B is equal to 0. That is clockwise should be equal to the counterclockwise moment. Now, looking at the figure, ang clockwise, dito, yung upper figure, ang clockwise will be yung RAV with a moment arm equal to 1.6 from point B. And then that should be equal to the counterclockwise caused by the 2 kN. Ito, yung 2 kN. Ang moment arm naman niya is actually equal to 0.6. Okay? Again, we will not actually care about itong 1 kN, yung RE at saka RD, since we're considering the free body diagram of the upper beam. And then you can just actually solve this one using your calculator. Sige. So, solve natin yung RAV. We have RAV equal to, marami yung sagot natin dito, 0.75. Meron ba tayong 0.75? Yeah. Letter D. Sige. So, help okay tayo dyan. Next, ano yung next problem? Next problem, which of the following daw most nearly gives the reaction at E? So, ito. we need to solve the reaction at E. So to solve for the reaction at E, we need to consider the lower beam, lower free body diagram. However, to solve for the reaction at E, pwede tayong mag-sum up ng moment dito no, sa point D, but we need RB first. Kasi without RB, we cannot sum up moments at D and solve for RE. So how do we solve for RB? We can actually solve RB by considering the upper beam, free body diagram of the upper beam. Mag-sum up tayo ng moments sa A, and then we can get RB. Sige, so summation of moment at A is equal to 0. By the way, this is considering upper beam or upper free body diagram. So we have ang clockwise is ang 2 kilonewton. Moment arm niya is actually 1.0 from A, and then that must be equal to the counterclockwise caused by RB with respect to point A. Tapos ang moment arm ng RB will be equal to 1.6, di ba? That's from point A. So we can now actually solve for RB. So solve natin ang RB. Yeah. RB is actually equal to 1.25. Once meron na tayong RB, we can now actually solve for RE. Now dito, sum up tayo ng moments sa D. But this time, we need to consider, let's figure, but this time we need to consider ang point D or ang lower beam natin. So consider consider lower beam. Yeah. So clockwise equals counterclockwise. Ang clockwise from the figure, point theta, is actually caused by RE. It's clockwise with a moment arm of 1.2 from point D. RE is 1.2 from point D. And then equal yan sa counterclockwise caused by 1 and RB. So ang moment arm ng 1 is 0.6. So that's 1 times 0.6. And then plus another clockwise moment or another counterclockwise moment is actually caused by RB with a moment arm of 1.8 from point D. RB pala. RB times 1.8. Okay? Notice, sa whole equation natin, saan galing yung 1.8? Tama, 1.8? Tama, 1.8. 0.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.6. Sige. So, by the way, sa whole equation na to, isa lang yung which is yung RE lang kasi meron tayong RB. So, you can use your calculator. Ako, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. So, RE. So, RE is equal to 2.375. So, I think na-solve na natin lahat, no? Check na natin. Na-solve na natin ang... hindi pa pala. So, ano yun? Ano yung sagot natin? 2.375 for RE. Check na natin. 2.375 or that is 2.4, no? For letter B. And lastly, which of the following daw most nearly gives the reaction at the right end of the bar CDE? So, ito yung CDE. We want the reaction at the right end. So, the reaction at D. So, to solve for the reaction at D, since meron na tayong RE, we can just sum up forces vertical, no? Consider the lower beam and then equal to 0. Upward equals downward. Sige, so sum up tayo ng forces vertical is equal to 0. Upward equals downward. So, ang upward force based on the figure is RE plus RD. Diba? Based on the figure, RE plus RD. While ang downward force is actually equal to RB plus 1. Yan yung figure natin. Yan. RB, tsaka 1. Again, we're considering the lower beam. And then with that, notice, meron tayong RE, meron tayong RB. The only unknown here is RD. So, you can just use your calculator. Sige, so solve natin. So, for RD. So, RD is 0.125. Now, negative meaning mali yung assumption natin. Now, nag-assume kasi ako na ang RD is pointing upwards. So, supposedly, this is pointing downwards sana. It's okay. Okay lang na mali yung assumption natin. Tama naman yung sagot natin. Sige. So, check na natin ang RD. Meron ba? Yan o, negative point. Yan ang 0.125. So, letter C yung sagot natin. Okay. So, I hope okay tayo. So, ang hinahanap is yung R. Ano na ulit yun? RA. Sorry. Ano yung hinahanap sa problem? RA. Tama, RAB. And then we also have, ang hinahanap din is RE at saka ang RD. Okay, so far lahat naman nasa choices naman. Tama ba? 2.135, 0.75, tama. Sige, so again, I hope naintindihan na. If you have any questions or clarifications with regards to the solution, please do not hesitate to ask, or even corrections. If may nakita kayong mali, please feel free to comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin. Salamat.